Hey guys, I just woke up just a little bit ago. Don't mind my tired face. I just thought I would do my second go-to makeup look for you guys, which is using the purple color in my crease rather than the green. This one is probably my favorite look. I love purple. I say this every single time, like literally without a doubt, but like purple goes with green eyes so well. It just makes them pop, like purples and pinks, and I really do like the green with my green eyes though, but the purple is definitely one of my favorites. And it's a really simple look to do. You just buff the purple in your crease, and then I go over it again with some black on the lid and do the rest of my makeup pretty much the same. I said I was going to switch up probably like the highlighter and whatnot, but I mean, this truly is my go-to makeup, so why not just use the stuff I'm always going to rather than trying to find new stuff just so you guys aren't bored with it. Like, you don't have to watch this. I know I just literally just did a go-to makeup look, but this is my second go-to makeup look. I have two, okay guys? But I'm usually going back and forth between these two, the purple or the green in my crease. And then I leave the purple open because then I go back under and do purple under there. And then I just go in with my black. And my kid ringing upstairs, and I don't know what he's doing. I don't know what he's getting into, so I'm trying to really hurry and not take long at all. Not that this look ever takes long, but like I'm just like really trying to rush it. Like, my grandma's up there, but like I don't want my kid to like be bugging her or anything. Okay. And he wants me to make him a peanut butter apple. I love that he actually like loves apples with peanut butter. It's one of the few healthy things he's always willing to eat. You know, he's literally like always wanting mac and cheese, pizza, hot dogs, chicken and french fries, like all unhealthy stuff. But like, it's like he outgrew wanting vegetables or something. Like, or he's just going through one of those phases where he's just uninterested in that, and I get that, like it does happen, but he does like green beans. I can get him to eat green beans, but like he used to like corn and now he doesn't, and I'm not gonna force him to eat anything. And then my outlook on it is, as long as he eats, I'm happy, you know. Like I don't want him to like gain a lot of weight from like all the pasta he eats or anything, but he is very active and he does run around a lot, so I'm not too worried about that. But I know he doesn't eat the healthiest all the time, so there's that. But okay, I'm trying to think, like, what do I do next? I will go in with my primer. Same primer I keep showing you guys, the number 7 Airbrush Away Pore Minimizing Primer. I'm like really trying to speed it up because I don't know what he's doing. I don't want him to get a bunch of his toys out up there. Usually my grandma is in the process of like, she's going to be moving from this house to a new house. And I'm not sure like what's going to happen with this house yet. But usually she like leaves during the day and goes to the other house, and she hasn't been doing that. And sometimes I like look forward to her going to the other house, because then like we just kind of have the house to ourselves. And then of course if my kid like decides to start acting up or something like that, like she doesn't have to hear it, because I always feel so bad if she's like around when he's acting up. Not that he's acting up right now or anything, I just like, I don't know. I wish she would get out of the house more, and I don't know. But then, like, we always go and hang out with my mom's friend, usually to get us out of the house. Like, we'll go to the airplane lot, watch the airplanes, all of that. I still have like eyeliner on my face from the night before when I did the video on like the balm makeup and stuff. Okay, I feel so stupid right now. I'm like, what do I do? I need to grab my beauty sponge. Give me 1 second. Got it, and I just wet it. So I will go in with my favorite BB cream. I'm really proud of myself for doing my makeup as much as I have been doing lately, because normally I would just like wake up, feel so groggy and unmotivated to want to do my makeup, and lately I've just been so motivated to do it because it makes me feel better about myself when I put it on. Like, you know, I look less tired, I look less like a zombie. So it really helps boost my confidence when I'm wearing makeup. And like this look really doesn't take long at all. Like you see, like it's 6 minutes in, but like I've got my eyes done, my primer, I'm already doing my BB cream. And then all I gotta do is throw on a little blush, my highlight, powder, and do my brows. Well, and eyeliner and what have you. But I mean, none of that takes that long. Come downstairs. Because I'm down here. I want to know what you're getting into. Nothing. Nothing? No. Better not be. No. And I don't usually build the coverage up. Typically, I just do one nice little coat because then it's like, in a way, like a no makeup look. Like, I think it looks just fine with one layer, but you can absolutely build up this BB cream and have it more full coverage or more medium coverage if you want. But I like the way it looks with just like one layer on, so that's all that matters. So then I'll go in with my e.l.f. blush in Always Rosy. Let's try not to get crazy with the blush today. I don't know what's with me lately, getting my blush like... always like getting crazy with it. Now it's more crazy on this side than it is the other side. Usually it's this side that gets crazy. But we're just going to buff it out. Because that's always what I'm having to do now. I'm just not good at applying blush. I will be the first to admit that. I'm always adding too much rather than not enough and then building it up. No, I just go in apparently with the heavy hand and have clown makeup. And like in the mirror, it looks fine. On there, it looks still a little bit crazy, but I might just roll with it today. Don't I always just roll with it? I'm always like, let's just go with it. That's fine. Oh, and then of course, my LA Color Strobing Illuminating Powder in Flashing Pink. I'm just so obsessed with this highlight. I can't explain how much I love it. I have a love affair with it. And like I said, I believe I found this at Family Dollar. And I like never shop at Family Dollar. It was like one night when my mom was staying with my dad overnight when he was really sick because we didn't want to leave him alone at night. I ran in there to grab her like some cereal and chips and stuff just to keep at his house so she wouldn't like go hungry. Because like my dad wasn't eating. He was so sick he couldn't eat. So there was really nothing for her to eat in the house. So I ran in there to get her some food and what have you. And then, of course, I saw the makeup and was like, oh, I'm just going to check this out really quick. And I'm glad I did, because I found this, and I found a couple of other things. Hi. He's sneaking up on me. Okay, now I'll do my powder. And then I got to dig out my eyeliner. Hold on, sugar. I'm almost done.
I gotta say I to Mama.
You're going to say, look, you're on camera.
Yeah.
Just do my powder.
What me do?
I feel like the highlight's popping way more on this side than it is on this side. You want to get in? Hang on. Alright, now go back there. It's always gotta be near Mama. You know what? I'll take it. Like, in a few years, he's gonna be like, Mom, get away from me. And even when he's being crazy, I love his little crazy self. Don't put that on the camera. I'm just trying to do a quick little video. Alright, I did my powder. Let me grab my eyeliner really quick because I am missing that. Okay, my basket case eyeliner because it's all I use. Thank you to the best sister in the world for getting me this eyeliner. Like, I think when I saw it, I posted about it on Facebook. Don't have it on high. I posted about it on Facebook, and that's how she knew about it. And she knew exactly what to get me for Christmas. She got me this, including like a bunch of other stuff, including this really cute little purse. And this was like in the purse. She was like, oh, there's a surprise in there. And when I saw this, I about fainted. She knows how much like I love Billy Joe. Like, I love Billy Joe. My love for him will never fade. And he's like 47. He does not look 47. Like, you know how on Friends, I don't know if you guys watch Friends, but like, they were talking about like, you know, their list of celebrities that they would be allowed to like date or whatever if they had the chance. And you could have like up to 5 on the list or something. You're making a big mess, so please stop. Like, Billy Joe would definitely be, like, one of my top people on my list, if I had a list. And then The Rock would definitely be on there. I mean, how can you not love The Rock? He is perfect in every sense of the word. Stop right now. I'm trying to talk.
I'll talk too.
Stop. No, you're not. Quit getting water everywhere. We just got water off the floor the other night from when the toilet was broken. Oh my god, I want to kill this kid. Quit turning the water on until I'm done. So yeah, then I just smudge a little bit of the purple. I might look a little crazy right now, but that's okay. We're going for a Billy Joe look today. You know, he's always got like the smudgy, crazy look going on. Alright, the only thing I have left to do are my brows. And I'm going to use my AOA Studio Go brow. It's all ready, and I just got it. Like, starting to, like, fade. Stop turning the water on until I'm done. No, that's good. And stop getting all wet. Mom life. I can never get a video done. What did I just say?
Apple.
He is not listening whatsoever. I'm so over it. You know, I should have switched shirts before doing my makeup so I don't mess anything up. Because I slept in this shirt last night. And I didn't plan on wearing it today. But I never think of these things, you know. beforehand. I feel like my brows, because of him, like I'm kind of distracted, so my eyebrows are going to be looking a little crazy today. He's got the water running, so you can hear that, which is just lovely. No matter how many times I tell him to turn it off, he's not listening. I really need to like pluck my brows. They're getting a little crazy. Okay guys, so that is my second go-to makeup look. It's with the purple and the crease and the black. Everything else is the same, the BB cream, the face powder, the highlight, the blush, the brow product, and my beloved eyeliner. Oh, and my primers are the same. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this. I know it's pretty repetitive from the other night, but I did just want to do a second look because I do always go to these two, whether I do the green in my crease or the purple. I have two go-to makeup looks. I'm sorry that I got interrupted by my kid, but he's not napping or anything right now, so I just decided because I was going to do my makeup for the day, I may as well sit down and film it, rather than like taking my makeup off later and redoing it for a video. So I got interrupted. That's the mom life for you. That's how my life goes. But when he naps, I plan on trying to do some more videos, and then of course at bedtime, I plan on doing more videos as well. Now he's being really weird and trying to drink water out of a soda can because the soda can was cleaned out and empty. And he's getting all wet. So I'm gonna go. I hope you enjoyed this. It was supposed to be short and sweet, but it's almost 20 minutes long. I'm gonna throw this together and put it up, and I will talk to you guys later.